Today is one of the worst days, bro. I try to trade NQ, but did not really get it. I try to go long here. Um, yeah, I took a couple L's, man. Also, oh wait, I haven't shared my screen yet. Okay, let me just go ahead. What's up, man? So just going straight away, man. I took an L. It's not an L. I say break even here. I traded to 6 a.m. Bro, I was up like 400 bucks here, and then break even. HO, I wanted to get in that trade, but did not get in. Um, all right, you know what? Just gonna cover it. Can you guys see the stream? Everything's working good. Let me know, guys, if you can see everything's good. Again, internet issues, bro. Internet issues. Can y'all see the stream? Um, can y'all see the stream? If y'all can see the stream and can't hear me clearly, we can go ahead and start. Bro, just from a get-go like this. Oh, man, that's gonna be an interesting day. Took the same trade. Perfect. Yeah, bro, like I was up 400 bucks here, and then I got taken out of break even, man. And I also, like, this is everything is recorded. Let me show you guys some. I want to show you guys something here. So we're just gonna go to the starting soon, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and go to recordings. So I want to show you guys the recordings that I recorded. It was a live trade. Let me just go ahead and close that out. Probably keep like this. Okay. If you go to the main, where was it? What time was this trade? What time did I enter on that trade? 7:21. So it'll be like 8:21. 8:25. Probably this one. I recorded the whole thing, like literally, like from the get-go. I also recorded that I wanted to take each O. I wanted to post that video on Discord, so I'll just edit that video and post it so you guys can learn something from it. Look at that. Look at gold. What I wanted to see, this gap holding and then a continuation higher. We did get that. Gap holding and then continuation higher on the M5. We did get that. But bro, do you guys want to see some MGC? Look at that. I got in. I thought our block got taken out, then hit TP. There was some sort of news here, bro. Like this candle was fucking crazy. Where was it? Yeah, it was that candle, so I got taken out there. Yeah, first day of trading at 6 a.m. and I got railed, bro. I wanted to take that one. Let me see. Where's the video about each O? Here was that. Yeah, this. Look at that. I was up and then boom, I got taken out. What else? It was a crazy day, bro. Also, I took NQ. And I got break even on NQ. So it was a fucking crazy day, man. But I'm like minus 200 for today. It's crazy. Like all of them ended up hitting TP, and it was like so unfortunate. Look at that, bro. Like from 400 bucks, and then it just came back to. And I wanted to take HO, and literally here I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna. No, this candle. I was like, oh, these are equal lows. But when I focused, if you really check, I wanted for a lot to get taken out, but it was not equal lows. When they trade below it, so it was a bit unfortunate right there. Yeah, that could have been like a banger day, bro. That could have been like a banger. That could have been like probably so. Anyways, but it was a good lesson, man. Starting to trade at 6 a.m. That was good, bro. I really like the two stage here at the lows, man. I really like the two stage. It ran like perfectly. I should have just probably closed at the EQ of the range. Probably should have just closed at the EQ of the range because I failed to notice that the fact that we formed the hive day here off of a relevant swing of VC ISD. So really, if you want to take longs, be aware of that range and just go for the EQ of that range, and that's what I failed to realize. So yeah, that was the issue. So yeah, probably like by the time NQ rebalanced the range, I just kind of hit exit. But then look at YM just took me out and then fucking went to the upside. So yeah, again, that's a break even. But yeah, let's see what we got. But 6 a.m., bro, I'm in. Like really, I'm in. Like from today, I'm trading 6 a.m. man. I'm not really missing it anymore. Look at that. Look at that 6 a.m. man. 90 minute. What do we got? Look at that. Look at that clean candle. Is that a 2-stage? Not really. Not even a 1-stage. So it's just really clean. Yeah, that's the 2-stage. That's the continuation lower. It was perfect. Like everything was perfect about it. Anyways, yeah, literally once I got taken out, YM was like, you know what? Let me take a break. Let me wait for 10 a.m. So yep, I'll go ahead and post the video for you guys. I'll try to edit the video because there are a lot of things to learn. Each one is like, I don't know. Let me check. I think they won't give me how long they are. Yeah. Yep, they won't. Yeah, it was really interesting. So, yep, that was a good day. But there's a lot to learn. A lot of things to learn. GC got taken out, then TP. HO, I hesitated for a sec, and then it left. YM, I was right about the direction, but wrong about the exit. Also this one. Also that one. So, also, like, the thing about 6 a.m., it also, like, one-sided narrative. Like, if you have a clean daily profile, engage with the irrelevant swing, probably going to go ahead and, like, at least rebalance this range. We fail to manipulate that high, or just going to go to the next high. It was, like, an easy framework to trade. So, yep, I'm focusing on the 6 a.m., guys. From today. So, first day, so, yep. Yo, took the same trade. Yes, 55. Thanks. Are you Moroccan? I guess you're Moroccan. Thanks. Sometimes the bias is very clear, but the driver color. Yeah, bro. That's why I decided from the first play not to trade the 6 a.m. But now, yeah, there's a lot to learn for me because I don't trade the 6 a.m. So I'll just be taking notes now. Bro, I was going. What's up, my brother? How are you doing, my brother? Yo, wish the second. Nope, I'm not. I don't live in Morocco. Seriously, I do, brother. My Discord is. Wait, isn't it in description? Let me check. Because I just started the stream directly, so I'm not really sure if it's in the description or not. How can I edit it? I have no idea how to edit the description, man. Software engineer. Okay, here it is. Yeah, just check the. Yes, you know. Check. Oh man, perfect. So yeah, just in the description. If you guys haven't joined the Discord already, go ahead and join, because I'm gonna post that trade breakdown, and you guys will see my full. Literally, I explained everything about that 6 a.m. So there is a lot of value to learn, even though it was not a winner, but still, there's a lot of things to learn. So let me see how many members we got. Come on, baby. Okay, let's just wait for it to. All right, so now it's time for 10 a.m. So let's just get the ball rolling. We got 113. Perfect, man. Oh wow, we're growing actually. We're growing. Good. Okay, so far what we got. First things first, we have that 2-stage. Like that's from the get-go. Is that a 2-stage? It is a 2-stage. Perfect. Let me take that off. We have a strength switch here. So, NQ going from stronger to weaker. And look at that candle is just expanding. So ideally, what I want to see is probably filter reverse off of the gap and then go to the next one. And I'm just gonna go and trade to the next gap. Really, that's all what I'm gonna do. 6 a.m. just expanded lower. We're trading away from the high of day. We have a CISD on the 4 hour, so I'm not really gonna try to go against it. Only if like we have a 2-stage cracking correlation. Probably trade back into the range to kind of rebalance the range. So yeah, that's the only one. But ideally, I just want to take longs, bro. I just want to take shorts now for the time being. So yeah, I have bad history with longs. 3 minute. Let me go to hourly. See what's up. So we got a C3. For now, there's nothing really we can do. There's literally nothing. All what we can do, we traded below like all these fair swings. Look at that. Now the next relevant swing, it's not that relevant, but again, it's still a PSP. Is this level here? So what I really want to see is a gap and a SMT fail. That's the only thing I can do right now. There's nothing really. No, look at that, bro. It just expanded the downside. So there's nothing really I can do with NSCs. So I'll just go ahead and take that off. Oh, this was a trade from yesterday. Okay. So yeah, same. I'll just wait for a gap, SMT fail, or a new swing formation. That's the only thing I can do right now. There's nothing really here. Or we can trade the failure to manipulate for YM to go to the upside, but I'll have to wait for that candle to close because now we don't have that SMT. So at least I'll wait for the PSP and then go for the next relevant high, which is that high. I'll just trade this as the decoupled market, and I wouldn't really care about what NQ is doing. So as long as this is given the profile of like, look at that, we're forming the low of day. Let me just go 30 minutes. We're forming the low of day. Where we see, kind of failed to see ISD, but if we have a new swing formation off the gap, which is the new invalidation level, I'm just gonna go ahead and trade it back to the upside. If not, I'll anticipate the failure to continue, and probably plays are gonna go for that low. Like that's the bare minimum. 30 minute. Yeah, that's really it. But it's not really clean. HO, beautiful, beautiful long. You guys will see on the stream that I mentioned everything about it. Not on the stream, I'll post the video so you guys can check it out. Look at that clean profile, man. Low of day formed off of the irrelevant swing, which is current low, current weekly low, and also previous daily low, like Monday's low. This is Tuesday, right? So ideally, what I want to see, C2, C3, is just a failure to manipulate trading away from the low of day. I don't really want to trade into the low of day, especially that we're counting into a gap, and look how big this gap is. So if price wants to reverse, it will do it from this high. I don't think price is just going to reverse directly. This is just my opinion. So if price wants to reverse and go to the downside, at least we're going to go back to that high and then reverse, because it's just a straight expansion. Yeah, we haven't engaged with any relevant swing, so I don't think price is going to reverse from here. That's just my opinion. So far, we have that 2-stage here. Now you can, like, basically you can trade this candle, by the way, which I would if we get a proper setup. If we get a clean CISD, I'm just going to go and take it to the next high, because look at that. We formed the clean low of day. Look at that profile. Open low, engage with the relevant swing, expand. PSP, from that C2, trade away from the new swing formation. So that would be my whole narrative here. Looking on M5. The CISD level is a bit far away, which is not good. So ideally, like a new swing, that would be really clean. So yeah, same. I'm just going with that bullish bias for the day. Look at that M15, just clean C2. Bunch of failure swings. So hopefully we can. I don't want to have a deeper retracement. So ideally, I want to take a setup on HO. Like probably form a swing now, or like after sweeping. Oh, we just swept the gap, or probably from this gap. Like that's the maximum I want, and then to trade back into the upside. So that's all what I want to do here. Can you guys hear me, by the way? Is the stream breaking up or something? Is everything good? Y'all can hear me? If y'all can hear me, let me know in the chat. Would you be trading the 6 a.m. live? Nah, bro. I wouldn't. The amount of trades I took now is just I wouldn't be taking them on stream, bro. It's just a lot of pressure on me. So just dealing with my own trades, it's tough already. So I'll just be doing it. Maybe like when I travel, I'll do stream like an hour of 6 a.m. and an hour of 10 a.m. probably. Why not? But for the time being, no. Probably from next week, like an hour max. I got an NQ at the start of the 6 a.m. candle, like close too early. Damn, no worries, bro. Look, as long as you secured something, be happy, bro. I did not secure anything. I was up 4R. Can you imagine? Like, because my trade, I was going for 1 to 8, by the way. I got so greedy, bro. Not so greedy because the profile supported it. I was like, we got a 2-stage here. This is the range. We traded below the range low. We're going to range high, but that was cleaner on the 4-hour. Like, if you look at it on M3, you'll be like, oh, this is the range low. But if you look on a 4-hour, this is the range low. This is that range low. So, just trying to trade that order pattern range. Going from range low to range high. We got a clean CISD here. And I got in at the retest. Like, if you really check the price, I got in here. I'm putting my stop here. And I went for 8R, which is the high of the range. Which is the, no, not this high. It was this high. I was going for 8R. I was up 4R. And then I got a break even, so. Yeah, so that's life. That's life. Just like Frank Sinatra, man. Alright, let's continue, man. Gold, man. FU gold. Also, gold did me dirty, but no worries. Alright. So ideally I just want to take I found it here. Okay. New swing formation. I would be willing to take it, especially if this closes a PSB. I would be willing to take it back to the highs. I would trade this C2, but we don't have any 2-stage. We don't have any 1st stage. Just, oh, look at that. We traded with the irrelevant swing, so now it's time to pull back. If we really take the range, at least we're gonna retrace back to somewhere in here. YN, yes, NQ. So all of them traded below the low. So we'll have to wait for a new swing to form. The CISD is all the way up here. So what I want to see is a new gap form, and then you guys know the deal. So I don't have to re-explain myself. You know how it goes, man. You guys know how it goes. So let's wait. Now let me play some music. let me just check with that. All good. All good, all good. Perfect. Eddie. Profi the bot. You have a teacher? No, bro. There's a free indicator that, what's it called? Atom, I guess, or I don't remember his name. Is it Atom or somebody else who shared it? It's called GxT. If you go indicators, GxT, it's gone, I guess. Profiling? Yeah, I think it's gone, bro. Yeah, it's gone. I think it's gone. Yeah, unfortunately. Source code. Yeah, it's gone, bro. It was just called GxC. I don't know if it's still there or not. Oh, no, it's still GxC profiling. But why it doesn't show? Okay, GxC profiling. This one. It's literally T-Trace fractal model, but for free. So I'm not leaking anything. It's on TradingView. It's on TradingView. Yeah, that's the one. If you take it, you'll see that it'll pop up here. But let me take it off. I don't need it. And also, you called it T-Trace fractal model, so it feels like T-Trace fractal model. All right, so far what I want to see, a continuation away from that low of day, back, continue higher. Yeah, we have a gap here. We have a beautiful, beautiful gap here that we can kind of target. Just use it as a confluence, just above the high. So I would see like these highs are as failure swings for price to probably trade to the upside. 30-minute. Ideally, I want to see price reversing right now. Like, that's it. Like, that's how deep I want price to go. It's GX profile. Not GXC profiling. Is there another one called GX profile? No, there is not. بصحة brother. When I'm alone. Here on gold, there's nothing really I can trade, bro. Yeah, there's nothing really I can trade. There was this swing, and I wanted to enter based off of this two-stage cracking correlation after the failure to manipulate. Clean expansion to the highs, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Let me see what RB is doing. Oh, yesterday's trade. Oh, no, Monday's trade. Oh, it's yesterday. Oh, we took it out yesterday. Yeah, never mind. It did go to TP, full TP. Nice. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And the goal for the day, like really, we have to get to like 1,500 guys. We have to get to 1,500 subscribers. Like this is the goal for today. I'm not closing the stream until we get there. Like, literally. So, if you guys haven't liked the live stream already, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe because the goal for today is 1,500 subs. So, that was the goal for January. But it's never too late. Like 2 days in January, no, February, no worries. So we can still manage to do it. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, if you haven't joined the Discord, join. If you haven't liked the live stream, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And there will be a beautiful trade to. Oh, look at HO, beautiful, beautiful. I literally love oil. Try it. If you guys check for the past 3 weeks, all I take, like most of the winners are oil, literally. Like I just love when you have a clean profile, it just delivers. So not like NQ. Sometimes on YM, they tend to fuck around sometimes. So just like yesterday. Yeah, just like yesterday. Or was it? Here. Get a break even, go to TP. Reverse. Look at that shit. What the? -1%. We're shooting back into the current flow. Oh. Wow, interesting. RB setting up nicely. Like we can trade DC too, by the way. But it's just so high up in the leg. Yeah, it's just so high up in the leg. I cannot really trust it. I just look at that. Clean roof. Boom. Push price lower. Let me see how many subs we got. Like that's the goal for today. Come on, we're still at 89. Come on, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Enable auto start. Let me check. I want to check something here. Where is it called? I want to see the live subs. How can I see them moving? Yeah, here. Advanced mode. Where is that? We're not gonna do that. I don't know how to do it. Let me check. Content. So you're gonna know. Let me take that off. Okay. See live count. Okay. So come on. We need to get to 1500. So we're seeing a good push. We don't want the expansion to end right now, guys. We don't want the expansion. So let's just keep the momentum going. By 1500, if we get a retracement, that's good. If we feel some exhaustion by 1500, that's good. So if you haven't subscribed already, let's see if somebody's gonna subscribe now. So if I see a subscriber, I will let you guys know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split the screen. One for subscribers and one for the chat. So. Oh shit, I'll be happy then I elect my tree. Oh yeah, bro. True. Also for NQ, yes, due to shutdown. Yep. Hey, bro, you don't trade before 8:30? Fix 8:30? 2:30? No, I trade the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle, bro. But I'm adding the 6 a.m. soon. Not soon. I started. I added it today. So, yeah. Look at that, man. Like, how can you enter? How? No way. No way you could have gotten here. Like, before 9 a.m. Before 8. But I don't know what happened at 8. But it was such a clean trade. I like the sweeps and then the CI. This is my favorite model. Alright, look at that. Look at that. So we got a new subscriber. Once I got 10 more. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe because that would really help the channel grow. So, one sec. Incure short? What do you think? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, I wouldn't. I would, but I'll have to wait for a new swing formation. For now, the markets are just dead in my opinion. So, let's see if we're gonna get if we get that strength switch here, I might be down to take this one. As long as this SMT holds. Like, as long as we get an SMT here. Do we have this already or not? Not. Okay. Where is RB? Where is CL? Oh, CL should be here. Okay, we do have it. Okay, perfect. Let's see. Let's never get that changing state. If we get that closure above, I'm taking this long, by the way. Now we have a strength switch from... Where's RB? Okay, from weaker to stronger. So I will take that strength switch. I don't like how HO traded so deep in a range, so... Why am lagging acid to catch up? Probably. Alright, we got a new swing. Let's see if we can frame something there. 15. Alright, give me the CSD, I'm gonna take it to the upside. If I get a CSD, I'm gonna... No, I wouldn't really force YM to go lower. If it gives me a bullish size, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it. With that new swing formation. But it's not a PSP, that's the only thing I hate about it. But do we have a second stage here? At least I want that. Come on, bro. Come on. No, it's not the time, bro. Please. Come on. No, it's not the time, bro. Please. Can you work? Can you work, please? Oh, my days, bro. Fuck it, a VPN. Work, please? Oh, my days, bro. Fuck it, a VPN. Don't tell your friends about it. Can you guys hear me now? Oh my days, bro. Can y'all hear me now? Let me know if you guys can hear me. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Okay, we got the entry. Where's Shade of 8? Where is Shade of 8? Oh my days, bro. Y'all can hear me now better, I guess. Now it's better. Now it's supposed to be better. Let me do something really quickly.